I will keep on doing my work until the day the members get up and tell me, we don't want you, I say bye-bye.
The country will hold him to his word. He said after the deputy president is elected, he will retire. That is what everybody will know. That is what the whole country knows. So as a responsible and leader of the party, he will have to keep his word.
So the Central Working Committee has decided we take legal action against Govinda Raju and disciplinary action against Subramaniam after the election.
But I thought this one after the election.
After the election, we want to give him, because he might win, you know. He must win, he might win and sack Samivelu out of the party.
Kini Datuk Subramaniam sandarkan nasib beliau kepada 1,469 perwakilan supaya membuat pilihan yang tepat.
I know a lot of people want to finish up Samivelu so that MIC can go to hell. I know that. I don't worry about it. I will keep on doing my work until the day the members get up and tell me, we don't want you, I say bye-bye.
Get out! Get out of this house!
Kalau saya rasa perlu saya lepas jawatan. Tapi saya lebih suka kalau mereka tendang saya keluar.
I said no!
Kita sudah tiada masa. Krisis ekonomi yang melanda adalah di luar dugaan, malah ia merupakan krisis yang terburuk semenjak kemelut The Great Depression.
Kita dijangkakan akan berhadapan dengan waktu yang sukar akibat kelembapan pertumbuhan ekonomi dunia atau kemelesetan melampau dalam jangka masa 2 tahun yang mendatang.
Kegawatan ekonomi akan berakhir dalam sekelip mata.
Betul tidak? Setuju? Setuju? Terima kasih.